Morning students, I your Vaishali ma'am welcome you once again in Alchemy Online Tutorials Class 2 Subject Mathematics. In the last class we have started the chapter number 5 multiplication, right? So in this chapter, in the last session we have learned the tables till 10, right? So that you have to write daily the tables from 1 to 10 and you have to recall it again and again. Now further moving, today we are going to first of all, I will give you a hint, right? So, as in subtraction, addition, I will make you solve like 0, 0 plus 5, 5 plus 0, 5 plus 1, 5 minus 1, right? And 5 plus 5, like same number, 5 minus 5. So, these are what you have learned in subtraction and addition. Yes, these are the properties of addition and subtraction, right? In the same way, multiplication is also having some properties. So today we will understood properties of multiplication. So our today's topic is properties of multiplication. So, in the properties of multiplication, first property is order of multiplication, right? ORDER, order of multiplication. Now you will think, what is this order of multiplication, right? So, as we have learned the multiplication, we have understood from grouping like 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So, how many times 2 are there? 4 times, right? So, 2 into 4, that is 8. If I will do 4 multiply by 2, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Then also my answer will be same. So this is the first property of multiplication, order of multiplication. If we change the order of the number, the answer will remain same. It will not change. Once again, we will see example. 3 twos are 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, right? 2 into 3. If I will change the order, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and 2 threes are 6. So this is the first property which is order of multiplication. Now come, let's see the example from the course book which example is given. So page number 68 in the course book. Properties of multiplication help us to make our calculation easier and faster. Yes, it is true. Let us learn the properties one by one. So in the course book, you have to do the underline on the word easier and faster. Yes, so property makes our work sums easier and faster, right? So first property is order of multiplication. As you can see, there are 4 groups of strawberries, right? In each group there are 2 strawberries. The same example we have done. 2 groups of strawberry, again 2 groups. In this way 4 groups are there. So 4 twos are 8. So whenever we are changing the order of the number from here to there, we will change alternative place like 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. If you are not knowing the table of 8, like 8 into 2, but I know 2 8s are. I know the table of 2. See, 2 8s are and 8 2s are. Suppose I don't know the table of 8. So what I will do? I will count the table of 2 until 8. So 2 8s are 16. And I change the order, then the answer will be remain same. Right? So keep in your mind, whenever we are changing the order, the answer will remain always same. Now the next property is, first is order of multiplication, next is multiply by 1, multiplication with 1. Multiplication by 1. This one is second property. Now, any number multiplied by 1, the answer will remain same. As you have learned the table of 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 tens are 10. If I will multiply 200 by 1, then also the answer will remain 200. Suppose that my teacher has given me the number which is 326 multiplied by 1. So the answer will remain the same. 326 by 1, the answer is 326. No need to worry that whether the number is big or small. Whenever we are multiplied by 1, the answer will always remain same. Next, 400 multiplied by 1. Answer will be 400. So this one is the easiest property of multiplication. Now property number third, which is multiplication by 0. Now whenever we are multiplying by 0, the answer will always remain 0. You have started learning table from 0, right? 0 ones are 0, 0 twos are 0, 0 threes are 0. In the same way, again I am taking the same number, 326 into 0, the answer will be 0. Any number multiplied by 0, the answer will be 0. Now, 600 into 0, the answer will be 0, right? So, these three properties we have learned: order of multiplication, multiplication by 1 and multiplication by 0. The same properties we have learned in the subtraction also and addition also. But in multiplication, there are more two properties which are very easy and faster. It is very interesting activity. It is very interesting property. So come, let's do this activity. Do these properties on the board. Moving forward to the next property, which is property number 4, multiplication by 10, right? So whenever we are doing multiplication by 10, so suppose I don't know, like again I am taking the same number, which is 326 into 10. So no need to worry, you have to write the same number and add 1 0 with that number. So 3260. The answer will be 3260, right? Now I am taking one more number, which is 622 into 10. So the answer will be 622 and I will add 1 0 extra. In multiplication, how many the number of zeros are there, as we have to add with them same. Like by 10, in 10 1 0 is there, so you have to add 1 0. If there are more zeros, you have to add 2 zeros, 3 zeros, how many the multiplicand is given. Now the fifth one, multiply by 100. So in 100, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So 326 multiplied by 100. The answer will be 326 and 2 zeros, right? In the same way, 527 multiplied by 100. So how many zeros I will add in this? How many zeros are there in 100? 2 zeros are there. So 527 and 2 zeros. So this types of property you can use in multiplication. Now come, let's forward do the exercise from the course book. Now this is course book exercise question number 4. Fill in the blanks will multiply the properties. Multiplications property based through we will do this exercise, right? Which is on page number 7070 in the course book. You have to see the answers and you have to write the answers in the course book. So come, let's do it. 7 into 3 is equal to dash multiply by 7. So this is the property of order of multiplication. Whether we are doing 7 by 3 or 3 by 7, the answer will be remain same. Now 14 multiplied by dash and 4 into 14. Again this is the property of order of multiplication. So 14 into 4 or 4 into 14. Right? Now next. 18 multiplied by dash, the answer is 18. What we will multiply for getting the same answer? 1. Correct. Now 29 multiplied by 1, the answer will be 29. Right? So this is the property of multiplication of with 1. 15 into 0. Whenever we are multiplying with 0, the answer will be 0. 7 multiplied by 10. So how many zeros are there in 10? 1. So we will write this number multiplier and we will write 0. 7 tens are 70. Now here there are 2 zeros. 8 and 2 zeros I will write. 8 hundreds are 800. 4 into 100. 400, right? 2 zeros are there. So I have written the 2 zeros, right? So from this exercise, I hope the concept is very clear to all of you. Till then, students, take care and have a nice day.